Good morning, everybody. This is Michelle with Creative Operation and Country Craft Creations, and I just wanted to do a review of our latest crop and retreat that Country Craft Creations hosted. So, over New Year's weekend, we had what we called a virtual retreat, and we had a crop. Now, the virtual retreat was where it was a paid event, and we had a lot of our designers make projects for that. If you have never done a retreat with Country Craft Creations, you need to go check it out. So go to countrycraftcreations.com. You can get information through that. Or if you're on Facebook, sign up for the Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations Facebook page. Get in there, and you're going to find a community that is amazing. You're going to find all kinds of free tutorials. All of the tutorials by the designers are free, and you will have access to everything. And then you'll also get information for upcoming retreats and crops, and just have a ton of fun with this. I participated in this both in the crop and the retreat, and I was going to share with you just some quick highlights of what kind of things that you could do. Now, when you do a retreat, now this is a paid event. Now, she does have in-person retreats, and we have some coming up, but we also do virtual retreats because of this day and age. We started doing that, and I participated in a couple of them, and they're really fun. The designers do projects. We get awesome kits, and then you get exclusive tutorials that are not available to everybody. So it is, again, like a paid event. I just wanted to quick share with you some of the projects so you can get an idea and see if you would like to, check it out and get some more information and maybe participate in the future. And I wanted to share that. But then for folks who did not purchase the retreat, we also did a crop. And what that means is that the designers got together, myself included, and we did tutorials that were free to the public and to the subscribers of Country Craft Creations to do projects as well. So you don't lose anything, you don't miss out. You still had some really fun projects to do during the crop events too. So I just wanted to share with you some highlights here and let you know what kind of things we did. So first off, with the retreat, with the paid retreat, now I can't show you a whole bunch, but I will share with you, we made this really awesome easel project by Margaret. She's one of our designers, and she did this really great recipe easel using this paper collection. Now, when you get the retreat packages, you get the entire paper collection. You get everything you need, to make these projects. A few things you can add from your stash, but with a virtual retreat, that's the beauty of it. You can alter it, and you can add things to it, whatever. You can change things out, but you also get the entire package of papers to do your project. So we did this beautiful easel project for recipes. Excuse me, I'll kind of go through this. I did this project that is an all-in-one gift box. This was using an exclusive paper collection called Sweet Southern Mess from Country Craft Creations, and I made this wonderful gift box album project and got to play with some flower making and all that. I thought this turned out really cute. Again, this is an exclusive retreat project, so I can't show you a whole lot of detail, but I did do that. Sally, who is one of our designers, she does a lot of kind of impromptu classes, and she did a class on making a altered, mixed media kind of altered project with a canvas. And so this is the project I created, kind of using leftovers from the kit, some stuff from my stash, and then some ideas that she had. And I created this cute little Valentine decor. So I think it turned out really, really cute. That was part of the retreat as well. Tamra, our fearless leader, did 2 projects for our retreat. She did this really awesome mini album that she used her I always butcher this, Noel Nostalgic paper collection, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It can be used for Christmas, but it can also be a beautiful wintertime paper. This is exclusive for Country Craft Creations, and as was the Love is in the Air papers that I used for this project. So these are exclusive for Country Craft Creations, so you can't get it anywhere else. countrycraftcreations.com. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous paper. And So we made this album, and then she also made this box project with an album that is inside of it, and it turned out really adorable as well. So we got that in our retreat package. We also did this really super cute project by Kim, one of our other designers, using the Love is in the Air package, and you can see this really cute little hot air balloon thing. It is adorable. And again, these are retreat projects, so you can only get these tutorials if you do the retreats. So I do encourage you to check them out. And the virtual retreats are not that expensive, and the stuff you get in them is just absolutely amazing. Oh, that's a crop project. I guess. And then last but not least for the retreat was Sandy, and she did this beautiful mini album that is made with Winter Wanders paper, and this is again a Country Craft Creations exclusive. And look at this, we even got this little shaker element up here at the top, but this paper is absolutely gorgeous. And this can be a Christmas or a winter theme project, and I just love the colors with the gold, silvers, the blues. It's gorgeous. You got to check this paper collection out. Again, this was another retreat project. So all of the projects I just showed you are the ones that came with the virtual retreat. But then we had the crop, and like I said, these projects were for everybody at the same time. So we had lots of different things going on with this one, and we had our designers did projects with this as well. So to start off with, Nicole did this really super cute envelope card that is absolutely adorable. And then she had a version where she put lights in it. And for all of these projects, since these were free to the public, I will post links in my description so you can go check these out. But she did this really super cute one. I used papers from my collection, but I basically did it the way she described it. And it's a really super fun policy envelope card that is absolutely cute. And I think that this would be a great, card to make for any kind of occasion. But since Valentine's Day is coming, I decided to use some papers from my stash and do that. So then Bobby did this really cute little folio, and I used papers that were left over from the retreat to make this this project. But she did this super cute little folio that has a flip here, and then it flips out again, has spaces for photos. It has this cute page here, and I added a pocket and some cut aparts from the collection. Then it has this nice little middle pocket, and I put more cut aparts from the collection. And again, these were all left over from the retreat. So I'm telling you, when you get a retreat package, you can make tons of projects. I still have stuff left over. I really do. This part here opens up. These little flaps come out, and then again, more places for loose photos or whatever you want. I did a kitchen theme here, so I thought that was really super cute. And this again will be linked below so you can see that tutorial as well. Margaret did this super cute card that I absolutely loved, and these were leftovers from the paper collection Midnight Kiss. This is again exclusively at Country Craft Creations, and it is a really cool card that I have been wanting to learn how to make, and I finally did. So she closed it with a belly band, so I just decorated it with leftover pieces of the collection that I had. And then when you open it up, look at this. I love this card, and I love the pop-up nature of it. And then back here, there's a place where I put a tag from the paper collection to write your sentiment on. But isn't that gorgeous? That's just a beautiful, beautiful card. And I learned how to make it. So I am super excited because this is really an awesome card. Now, she also did a box to put it in, and I have not made that yet, but I did do the card and the belly band. So again, the link will be below. And these are the crop projects that we did at the very same time that we did the virtual retreat. Bonnie did a live class where she created some cards, and let me get these out of the way. And I'll just show you the cards, and I will again have the link so that you can go back and look at these. But she showed us and gave us all of the dimensions and everything on using or how to make the bases of these cards. I used papers from my collection and made some Valentine's Day cards for my grandkids. So my grandkids, if you're watching this, don't look. So I decided to make 5. She showed you how to make 4, so you can see that I did 2 that were kind of the same, but I used different papers and different patterns, so you can change it up any way you like, and they turned out really super cute. So Bonnie, thank you so much. I am not the best card maker in the world, so any help I can get is awesome, and Bonnie does amazing cards. So that was that. Tiffany did this super cute little folio, and she used leftovers from the Winter Wanders paper collection that was in the retreat that Sandy used for her album. And I did the same thing and made this super cute 4x4 little mini album that is absolutely adorable. Check out the papers. I love these papers. I did use some silver mirror paper that is from Country Craft Creations as well to kind of accent the silver in the papers and kind of the feel of snow and ice in the paper. And then it has a super cute little accordion fold, if you can see that, album insert. And look at the, I just love the, and look at the knitting. I love it. Just love it. So this is a super cute little folio. It used leftovers and like one piece of paper, and you made an album. It was really super cute. Again, the tutorial will be linked below. And then Kim, one of our other designers, did this amazing project. So check this out. So this is a box project that turned out absolutely adorable. She calls it her popcorn box. And I used papers from my collection. And again, grandkids, if you're watching this, look away, because I'm going to put a few treats in here for the grandkids to have for Valentine's Day. But isn't this super cute? Looks like an old-fashioned popcorn cart. The lid comes off. You can put your goodies inside. And I used acetate from Country Craft Creations that I had in my stash for a long time, and I was waiting for the right project to come, and this was it. All of the cardstock and everything that I used was from Country Craft Creations as well. Artisan cardstock. Perfect stuff. So anyway, this is a very cute project. This was super fun to make. Used up some stuff in my stash. So Kim's project, the popcorn box, will be linked. And then the project that I did for the crop was this graphic 45 traveler's notebook that I wanted to make. And I did a tutorial on that. Again, it'll be linked, so I'm not going to go over a whole lot here. But this is my project, and I've actually kind of moved into it and started using it. So I picked out some pens. I am like a pen hoarder, and I picked colors that I thought matched the collection. And I just decorated my notebooks. I made some paper clips. I showed you how in the tutorial. And what I'm going to do is, this is going to be for on the go, jotting down ideas that I have for, you know, my crafts. I do a lot of drawings. I did some mechanical drafting back in the day, and so I tend to draw a lot of schematics, and I work out equations and stuff in my head and measurements and all that other stuff. And so I thought, well, the grid notebook's going to be perfect for that. I'm going to go back to that in a minute. So I did this other notebook that comes with it, has lined papers, and my intention was to do a kind of a brain dump kind of list. So like when I'm on the go, I think of stuff, and if I don't write it down, I don't know about you guys, but I totally forget. And so what I did was I moved into it, like I said, and I started working on my brain dump, and I sat down, and over the course of a couple days, I started writing down stuff that I needed. And then I take my highlighter, and when I get it done, I highlight it, so then it kind of gets it out of the way, but I can still see it. This was a big boo-boo, so that's why it's all crossed out. So that's kind of a brain dump. You can see there's no rhyme or reason. It's just kind of as it comes out of my head. I write it down, and then it gets transferred to like calendars if I need to, or, you know, my grocery list or whatever. Even menu ideas. I mean, this thing will just hold anything, and it's a brain dump. It's just a place to just throw down your ideas, and I did decorate it. Again, will be linked down below. And then the last notebook, I haven't started yet, but this is blank pages, and this will be for other notes, ideas, whatever I want to do. It could even actually be a journal if I felt like it. Going back to this insert, this is an insert that I actually had in my stash, did not come with a notebook. So the notebook, when I bought it, I did buy it from Country Craft Creations. It comes with the outer notebook, and I will show you in the tutorial how to cover everything. And then it comes with the 3 notebooks, the blank, the lined, and the grid. But then I had this in my stash already. It was just a craft colored folder, and I just used some decorations to decorate it and kind of add it to my book. So this was the project that I did. So you can see there was a lot of really good projects, and these all were free, ladies and gentlemen. These projects were absolutely free during our crop. So in order to know about the crop, you need to keep up on Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations on the Facebook page. So please ask to be in, and you'll have to answer just a couple questions, and that's it. And then you're in, and you get access to all of the information, all of the tutorials. You get alerted at all this stuff. You get alerted to exclusive paper collections like the Winter Wanders, the Midnight Kiss, and the Love is in the Air. This was a retreat project again, but these are exclusive papers you can only get with Country Craft Creations. And you'll find out all the details for everything, and then you can get information about the virtual retreats, and then you can get involved with those too. So I was pretty excited. I had some vacation time. I was able to do all of the crop projects and all of the retreat projects, and I got to tell you, I loved every single one of them. So to all my fellow designers and to Tamara, thank you very much. You guys are amazing and talented. I am so blessed to be a part of this group. And I learn something from you guys every time I do one of your tutorials. So I just love doing your tutorials. So thank you, thank you, thank you so much. So that's what I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching. And I hope to see y'all soon in Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations. And thanks again for watching. Let me know what you think. Go check out the crop tutorials. You're going to love them. I'll talk to you later. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.